They're the YSL Advent calendar. Let's look into it. First things first, I've already opened it. I opened it using my new camera and it was... So now I'm just doing it on my phone. Why not? It's easier. So here it is in all its beauty. She pretty, she heavy. I'm sure you've seen many pictures of it. Came in this outer sleeve. Do we care about that? No, we don't. We only care about what's inside. Let's get into it. Open. Let's check her out. We're just going to get straight into it. Number one. Yeah, anyway, they're all wrapped quite nicely. First we have a little sample, deluxe sample, lippy. It's a very nice colour. Not a colour I'd probably wear, but my daughter would. She'll love this for work. I will give it to her. Very nice. And it is in an M. NM. So that is that. Very pretty. Bougie. Number two. Wrapped again. Here we have a eyeliner, just a black eyeliner. Again, oh, that's not a very good one. It's quite creamy, quite nice. So thick. Number two. Number three. People go crazy about this. Black opium. Have to admit, I never went crazy about this. I think when this first came out, people were like nuts about it. Maybe not when I was pretty young when it first came out. But anyway, people went nuts about it. Black opium. Like, I mean, it smells nice. It's a nice fragrance. I think it's a pretty classic, you know, OG one of theirs. But, you know, it's nice. She's nice. I'm happy to have it. It's all right. Number four. My daughter has been banging for me to get into this because she knows she's getting most of it. Door number four. Another little lippy, little deluxe sample. And she's, I would say reddish. She's pink. She's pink. Sarah does not know how to swatch. It's all right. But that is really pretty packaging. I like that. She's the big one. What's in here? Day number 5. The Slim Velvet Radical 21. She feels pretty. Matte, slick, YSL. Oh, what do you know? Another red. It's okay. I mean, I ain't gonna write home about it. She's alright. Now, did I mention I paid $509 AUD for this, and I think I got free shipping. I'm pretty sure I got free shipping. And I got a little deluxe sample kit, which I'll show you at the end. Number 6. Oh. But why? This smells... Oh, I'm just gonna... I'm gonna spray this over the man's. I'm just gonna drench him in it. Oh, and just sniff him. Yum. That smells good. I'm thinking I'm just gonna get a big bottle of that for him for Christmas because that smells divine. Number 7. Pure Shots Reboot Serum. Look, I'm a little mad about these. Look at that. This is a very, very tiny little thing. They could at least give you a travel size. Like, why not give you a travel size of it? Why? This is not a good start to my Advent journey that I'm on this year. I am on an Advent journey. this year, and that is not a good start. You know, you could get that for free. Just go into YSL, say, hey, I want to try this serum. Look, we got another little bubble serum. I want to try this serum. They'll give you a couple of squirts for free. Like, seriously. Hydra Bounce Lotion Essence. It's an essence. Give that to the daughter as well. That is disappointing. Number 8. Number 9. 1971. The Bold. I wonder if they mean the Bold and the Beautiful. Remember that show? Still going strong. This is pretty packaging. YSL. 1971. What color is it? What color is it? I mean, it is a pretty color, but to number 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. What is this? This is makeup remover. Top secret. Makeup remover. Tiny, tiny, tiny. You can get this for free. I'm sure if you just go into YSL and say, hey, I'd really like to try this makeup remover. Not sure how it's going to go on my skin. Not sure how it's going to work. Can I just get a couple of pumps? You're going to get it for free. Not $509. Oil in stick. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, she's not red. Nice. Ooh. She's nice. Smells like cat piss. That is not a nice smell. It's not a nice smell at all. Okay, so we're up to number 12. I've already found this part of the video 3 times. 4th time lucky. I hope I don't lose the footage. So up to number 12. We have a mascara. I'm not going to open the mascara because it does only have a 6-month shelf life once they're open, and I don't want to waste it because I'll probably give it away. And I don't want to swatch and get my germs on it. So now we're up to 13, and we have another little perfume sample. It's called Tuxedo. This smells really nice. I like it. I like the cute little bottle that it comes in. As you can see, I collect little mini perfume bottles. I just love them. I am a creature of habit though, and tend to use the same perfumes. So I really need to get out of the habit of just using the same perfumes. 14, and lipstick. It's a red lipstick. I think that was this one here. As you know, I've already swatched. It's nice. I think one red lipstick really should do it. Always red. So this in number 15 is another mascara. You know, everyone uses mascara. It's a black mascara. Is up here. This smells absolutely delicious. So I think it's another men's, but I'm not 100% sure. It smells men's, but you know, scents are unisex really. You can wear whatever you want. It's up to your own personal preference. But I do like that. That's really, really nice. So that's another one I'll drench the mans in and sniff him up. 18 down here. Oh, my mojo has just gone because of how many times I've had to film this stupid video. Pretty. I've actually got this on my lips. This is really, really nice. It's a really nice shade. Feels really, really nice on. However, it has that stench. Like, what is that stench? I don't understand. I've seen a little tip with this. A Heated Mess said that you can pop these little rings off and actually wear them as rings. So that'd be a really nice like thumb ring or something. Anyway, I'm going to try that once I've used these up, because why not? For a re-jewelry, I ain't mad at it. 18, let's go on to 19. Oh, I hate these. Why? Why? Like, what is the point? You can get these for free. Pure Shots. I can say about that. It's crap. I don't care. It's crap. I don't even know if the full size is fucking $1,000. I don't care. That's crap. This is pretty. This one smells so pretty. I love it. I think I have the full size. Yeah. Yeah, I do. Look at that. So pretty. I love it. It smells so good. I love it. So I'm not mad at getting it. One. It's another Pure Shots I Reboot Concentrate with caffeine. I am not a big fan of the Reboot, the Hot Shots or Pure Shots, Pure Shots line or whatever it is. This is a little eye serum. Probably need a few little pumps out of this. 5 ml again. Go into YSL, ask them to try it. They'll send you home with about that much. So don't see why it's in here. 21.22. My least favorite. It's a mirror. Probably would never use this. It's got the same pattern as the calendar. I mean, it's a good little mirror. You know, you put it in your purse. It's got a good weight to it. This is a good little keepsake if you really love YSL, like you really love the brand. I guess it's a cute little keepsake. Number 23, Libre. Very nice. Smells very nice. That's nice. I would consider probably getting the full bottle of this. It is quite a nice, this would be like a nice date night perfume, I think. So nice. Let's go down to the last day, day number 24, which you'd expect to be awesome, but it's not. It is 1966 Lip Matte Lipstick. Looks like brick. I don't like this color. My daughter will like this color though, so she's going to get that. She's going to be so excited that I've actually finally done these unboxings because she wants it. She will probably take the majority of this advent calendar. So let's round it up. Oh, okay. Let's round it up. Let's finish it up. $509. I got free shipping. I also got a free little sample pack because I spent over, forgotten what the amount was, and it's literally just the exact same stuff that you got in there. A perfume sample, Pure Shots, another lippy, and a mascara. Cute little bag, nothing to brag about. This is a waste of money. Even if you're a huge YSL fan, this is a waste of money. You're not really trying the skincare because it's so small, and it's just a waste of money. Like, honestly, if you really wanted to try some of this stuff, rather than spending, you know, $500, I'd go in to YSL, to one of the counters. I'd get like a free makeover, you know, get them to do your makeup or a skincare, buy something that you really love, like a lipstick or something, and they'll throw in like majority of that for free. As an example, actually, so as an example, I was at the Chanel counter and I was using a couple of things and they gave me this to take home. Now this was full. So this is one of their serums or things. And this is probably about the same amount as what you're getting in there. And this I got for free. And they gave me a few of these. So I think I brought, I don't know what I brought, like a cream or something. And then she just threw in all this stuff for free to try out. So there you have it. Like, that's what I'd do if you really want to try out the brand. I honestly thought that it'd be better than this and it wasn't, so I'm a bit disappointed actually. I do have some other advent calendars that I'm going to unbox, so yeah, this should be fun.